Oh guys, here you can see my board and came on the Python. Yeah, we are learning about the silly video. Start to and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notifications and also information about any future related videos about the Python. So without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of Python, I am telling you about how to understanding the effects and results of the written instructions in Python. So yeah, we are learning about this lesson about it. But first of all, I am writing here the number. Okay, so let's start. The written instruction in Python serve two main purposes. Which two main purposes? First, stop functions execution. What can do? It ends the function operation at the point where it return is encountered. Number two, it sends the results back to caller, means that it returns the data or values from the function to the caller. Here's an in-depth exploration of the return with examples. First is returning a value. Okay, what can do? It is the simple use of return is to send a single result back. Now let me show you with some little bit code. So let me show you. There's one first of all code here you can see it. Let me copy this code and let me come on my new window. And here when I make the new window, I'm giving my file names will be index.py, and then I'm making this file on my documents, and when I make this file like that, now perfect. And let me paste this code. Now when I paste this code, this type of one output admin came, and here we use the def function and square here we add the number, and here we use the multi-line comment, and in the multi-line comment we calculate and return the square of number. Here it give me the output should be the square of 4 is 16. Let me show you why it is giving me this type of output. Let me show you. Save it and run it. Should give me 4 is 16. Why? Because 4 multiplied by is 4. Like 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 13, 14. Okay, like that. Let me show you. 4 1 is 4. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Okay, because 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 50, 4 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 4 3 is 12, and 4 4 is 16. Okay, like that. And why it give me 16? Because here first of all I write like 4, and here I also write 4. That's why. Here I write like 4 2 times, so that's why. If I write here 5, so 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20. So it give me the 4. You can say 20. It give me 25. Why? Let me show you. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 5 2 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Okay, I understand. Because here I write like number and multiply by number. When I write here 5 also, so now it give me 25. Here you can see it. The square of 5 is 25, like that. Or here I write like, so now it give me 16. Here you can see like that you can do it. Now let me minimize it. Effect. First effect is the function stops after the executing the return statement. Number 2, the value number multiplied by number is sent back to the caller. Number 2, returning the multiple values. Python allows the functions to return the multiple values, often packaged as a tuple. This is one example. Here you can see it. Let me copy this example and let me paste it. Here the output will become min 10, max 10, and average 30.0. Let me show you why. Here you can see it is coming like this. Why? Because first of all, in the multi-line comment, we write like we calculate and return the minimum, maximum, average of list of numbers, and then here we define a 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, 10, 20, 40, and 50. And then in the print function using the average string, we write like min, and in the curly brackets I write like min underscore val. Then I write like max. Then I write like max underscore val. And then I write like average, and then here I write like in the curly brackets average. So that's why it give me this type of output. Anyways, minimize it. Effect. First, the function stops after returning the tuple minimum, maximum, or average. Number 2, these values are unpacked to individual variables. Number 3, exiting a function early. The return statement can be used to exit a function prematurely. For example, this is one example. Here you can see it. Let me copy it and let me paste it. The multi-line comment here, what we can do here, we check if a number is even, or here we are written immediately if it is. Okay, and then example usage. The output will become 8 is even and the output will become 7 is odd. Let me save it and it should give me 8 is even and 7 is odd. Why? Because here first of all I had like 8 and here I had like 7, and you all know 8 is even number and 7 is odd number. Okay, and now let's come on it here. Effect. First effect will become like if the condition is met, the function exists, the immediately will return the value. Now number 4, returning the nothing none means. Okay, if no return statement is specified or return is used without the value, the function returns the none. Let me show you this one code. Let me copy this code and let me paste it. Here we define a multi-line comment and here we write here the function that does nothing and returns the none. Here is one example. The output will become the result is none. Let me show you. Save it and run it. The result is none. Why? Because here we define the result is and then here I like my result. In the curly brackets I write like my result variable, and in the result variable I write like do nothing. So that's why it give me the result is none. The effect. The function ends without providing any meaningful output, returning the none implicitly. Number 5. Using the return with loops. Here the return instruction can be used to exit a function within a loop. Here is one example. Copy it and paste it. Here in the multi-line comment we find and return the first even number in a list. The output should be 8 and this output no even number found. Now let me save it and it will give me 8 and no even number found. Why? Because here first of all we write like no even number found, and here we write like 1, 3, 5, 8, 9. Okay, so like that. Effect should become the loop stops as soon as the return statement is executed. Key takeaways. First, it returns a halts the function execution immediately. Number 2, it sends the back a value or values to the caller. Number 3, if omitted the function implicitly and returns none, and then it used strategically returns can access the loops or handle early functions and terminations. These examples showcase the flexibility and power of the return instruction in Python. Okay, and you said effects, okay, like that. So here you can see it. So in today's video we learn about what are in the Python, what are effects and result of the return, understanding the effects and result of effects and result of the return instruction in Python. We learn about it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also so you never miss any future related videos about the Python. And please like this video also. And now if you want to access my playlist of Python, so let me tell you how you can access it. You only go to the Google. Okay, right here my channel name Rayyan and then open it. So click on the first link and please complete my 5,000 subscriber. We are very near to it. And then click on to the popular videos. Sorry, not popular videos. Click on the playlist and then click on to the here and then click on to the playlist. So first of all, what you can do here, first of all, you will be access it and bookmark it also. Then see the all videos from 1 till 123. Okay, we completed the 130 videos of the Python. Unbelievable. Okay, we completed 130 videos of the HTML. Okay, so if you want to see step by step, so you will be see it from here. Okay, so but anyways, I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss any future latest videos about the Python. So now I meet you next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.